How to properly install an exhaust system. Installing a new exhaust system on your vehicle can seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and tools, it's a job that can be tackled by even the most novice DIY. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing an exhaust system, covering everything from preparation to final adjustments. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your ride while saving money on costly professional installations. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we will explore the proper installation of an exhaust system. Step 1. Prepare the work area and vehicle. Start by ensuring you have a clean, well-lit, and level work area. If you'll be working underneath the vehicle, park it on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. Raise the vehicle using a floor jack and securely support it with jack stands, following the manufacturer's recommended lifting points. Step 2. Remove the old exhaust system. With the vehicle safely supported, it's time to remove the old exhaust system. Begin by spraying penetrating oil or lubricant on all the exhaust hangers, clamps, and fasteners to help loosen them. Using the appropriate tools, carefully remove the exhaust hangers, clamps, and any other hardware securing the exhaust components in place. If the exhaust pipes are rusted or stuck, you may need to use a reciprocating saw or exhaust pipe cutter to cut through them. Take care not to damage any surrounding components during this process. Step 3. Inspect and prepare the mounting points. Once the old exhaust system is removed, inspect the mounting points and hangers for any damage or excessive wear. If necessary, replace any worn or damaged components to ensure a secure and properly aligned installation. Clean the mounting surfaces thoroughly, removing any rust, debris, or old gasket material. This will ensure a proper seal and fit for the new exhaust components. Step 4. Install the new exhaust system. With the mounting points prepared, it's time to install the new exhaust system components. Begin by positioning the first section of the exhaust pipe, typically the downpipe or front pipe, onto the exhaust manifold or turbo outlet using a new gasket or exhaust sealant as recommended by the manufacturer. Carefully align the remaining components, such as the catalytic converter, if applicable, mid-pipes, mufflers, and tailpipes, ensuring a proper fit and alignment. Secure each component using the appropriate clamps, hangers, and hardware, but leave them slightly loose for now to allow for adjustments. Step 5. Adjust and align the exhaust system. With all components loosely installed, it's time to make any necessary adjustments to ensure proper alignment and clearance. Check for potential areas of contact or interference with other components, such as the suspension, driveline, or body panels. Make sure the exhaust system is centered and level with adequate clearance from the ground and other components. Adjust the position of the pipes and components as needed, tightening or loosening the clamps and hangers until you achieve the desired alignment. Step 6. Tighten and secure the exhaust system. Once you're satisfied with the alignment and clearance, it's time to tighten and secure the exhaust system components. Start from the front and work your way toward the rear, tightening all clamps, hangers, and fasteners to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Double-check all connections and ensure there is no excessive stress or binding on any component. A properly installed exhaust system should have some flexibility to accommodate engine and chassis movement while remaining securely mounted and aligned. Step 7. Final checks and adjustments. After tightening and securing the exhaust system, perform a final visual inspection to ensure all components are properly installed and aligned. Check for any potential areas of interference or contact with other components and make any necessary adjustments. If you've replaced the catalytic converter or made significant changes to the exhaust system, it's recommended to have the vehicle's computer system reset or recalibrated to ensure proper operation and emissions compliance. Step 8. Test drive and final inspection. With the installation complete, it's time to take your vehicle for a test drive. Pay attention to any unusual noises, vibrations, or exhaust leaks that may indicate an issue with the installation. And that concludes our discussion on how to properly install an exhaust system. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.